Don't be a hack, hack your life. I'm Molly, your local life hack expert and frozen store brand dinner roll connoisseur. But today we're here to talk about winter life hacks. Space heaters are sure risky this time of year. 1 in every 8 in America could catch fire this winter alone. Smoke alarms are really noisy, and they cost money for batteries. A pack of 9-volt batteries cost me $18.67. Why did I spend $4.67 on one battery when I could have spent $1.09 on one pack of Jiffy Pop? You smack it right where your smoke alarm used to be, and then your Christmas shopping budget is saved. Your family is saved. Snack time. Saved. Your Aunt Carol. The services are next Tuesday at 3 p.m. We're so sorry we couldn't save your Aunt Carol. Life hacks.
Don't ever do this.
This life hack was brought to you by Morris McKernan. One call. Get her done, y'all.